Hi, my name is Cathy and welcome to my channel. I love to do DIY projects. I love to refurbish furniture. I love to do Cricut projects. I love to do party decorations. But I found that my projects have also been a way to help me reduce stress in my life. So I wanted to develop this channel, one, to show you the projects that I like to do, but two, more importantly, to inspire you and encourage you that you can do this too. And perhaps your projects will become a stress relief in your life. My first project was to redo our kitchen table. After 5 kids, it was in desperate need of a makeover. The first step is always clean, clean, clean. I cleaned the table with Krud Kutter. Next, I sanded and then painted the table skirt and legs. I stained the tabletop with Minwax golden oak and applied 5 coats of Polycoat for added protection. And here it is. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you back here for more of my DIYs. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it too.